Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. Today we're continuing our series designed to help you choose a cruise line. Over the past few weeks, we've shared why you might cruise with Carnival or Royal Caribbean, and now it's time to focus on Norwegian Cruise Line. With 6 classes of ships and 3 ships in a class of their own, NCL has a pretty large and growing fleet with lots of options for a variety of cruise styles. Here's what our community had to say about why they choose Norwegian. The number one reason our audience shared was freestyle cruising. You've probably heard of it. Norwegian's freestyle cruising tosses out the traditional cruise rules in favor of flexibility. That means there is no need to show up for dinner at a set time, no required formal dress code, and no set schedules. Our community said they can go at their own speed, wear what they want, and dine when and with whom they want. Pretty cool. Next up, foodies love NCL for their wide range of dining choices and specialty restaurants. From steakhouses and French food to Brazilian, Italian, Mexican, and Japanese cuisine, Norwegian ships offer dining options galore, and food quality really stands out. For example, Norwegian Escape has 25 dining options alone. It's all about choice with NCL, and that goes for bars too. Another reason Norwegian shines is their focus on modern, beautiful ships. While they do have quite a few older ships with lots of charm in the fleet, the Breakaway Plus, and new Prima class ships are innovative and contemporary and are some of the newest on the cruise industry scene. For that reason, NCL cruisers love that, particularly on newer Prima, Breakaway, and Breakaway Plus class ships, there's lots to do. One minute you might be racing your cruise companions on the go-kart track, and the next you're signed up for augmented reality laser tag. Throw in a few water slides, then chill at the spa. See what I mean? Oh, and on some ships, there's a quarter-mile oceanfront promenade called the Waterfront, designed to connect you with the sea. What could be better? So yeah, there's lots to do, or not, on a Norwegian ship. Now, if you're traveling solo, Norwegian Getaway, Breakaway, Epic, Escape, Encore, Bliss, and Pride of America have studios designed and priced for solo travelers. Solos also have exclusive access to the Studio Lounge, an area that's unique to Norwegian Cruise Line. Our community digs this focus, and while they say they don't always book into those studio rooms, they feel right at home on NCL as a solo cruiser. Now it's time for another big reason cruisers love NCL. Their free at sea concept offers somewhat all-inclusive options, and within that, things like drinks are included. Free at sea varies from month to month and year to year, but you can basically expect included things like an unlimited open bar, some free specialty dining, some free shore excursions, free Wi-Fi, airfare perks, and free 3rd and 4th guests. Make no mistakes, we realize that nothing in life is free, so your total cruise fare with free at sea will be more than a stripped down base fare, but some cruisers like knowing there's a lot included in their upfront investment, and there's something to be said for minimizing or eliminating that depressing bill at the end of your cruise. Can you feel me on that one? Looking for a little luxury? Norwegian has one of the few luxury ship-within-a-ship enclaves in the industry. That's right. Perched at the top of the ship, the Haven is an exclusive, luxurious area where you'll find a private restaurant, your 24-hour butler, a concierge, and personal service throughout your stay. Haven fans swear by this experience and say it's worth every penny. And we'd be remiss if we didn't talk about the entertainment on Norwegian Cruise Line. At the time of recording, you'll find shows like Six, Jersey Boys, Footloose, and Choir of Man on board select ships. They also have live music, comedy, Broadway-style entertainment, and production shows, variety shows, deck parties. It's pretty much impossible to get bored on a Norwegian ship. And our subbies say Broadway shows are a cut above others in the cruise industry. Lastly, NCL fans rave about the line's loyalty program. Decent perks start as low as the silver level, where just 20 points gets you discounts on shore excursions, spa treatments, and photos. Higher levels receive free specialty dining, free wine tasting, and lots more. What's important is that Norwegian cruisers feel rewarded for their loyalty, and they say it keeps them coming back for more. So, Why do you cruise with Norwegian? Have you tried Norwegian Cruise Line yet? What did you think of it? As always, we want to hear from you, so leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, friends, we'll see you on the high seas.